Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export or download your email list from Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export or download your contact list from Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch over to different service providers, so you want to be sure to grab all of your contact lists. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download your email subscriber contact list, here on the left menu, you want to click down here on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and you want to click on this button here. It looks like an arrow pointing up. Okay, once you do that, you're going to choose the export type. So what information are you going to be downloading? If you're downloading your contact list, you're going to click here on people, and then next you want to choose what type of file, Excel or CSV. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just do a CSV file, and then you're going to click on export. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and then you're going to see the export right here. So it says there's 11 items. And then in order to download this, you're going to click on this little download button. It looks like a little cloud. Okay, now you can see it's processing, and we can go ahead and open it up. Okay, a quick second later, the file opens up, and you can see we've downloaded our email list from Pipedrive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export or download your email contact list from Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.